Here's how you remove a page break in Word. We need to go to the Home tab and then reveal or show and hide the hidden characters in the document. Then notice that there are all these dots everywhere. These are spaces between the words, and these blue paragraph marks are areas where we hit return on the keyboard. And then if we go further up, notice that there is this option for page break. To remove the page break, we need to click somewhere after the page break option and then press delete on the keyboard. And now notice that the content shifted from the top of the previous page to this current page. And then we can unhide the hidden characters in the document by pressing on this paragraph mark icon here.